In love.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we invite you to a prestigious project. A project that boasts opulence right at the heart of the metropolitan city. And I'm super excited to show you around. So here we are. We are on a 2,332 square foot unit at the Shangri-La condominium complex. Now, I've always told you, a property in this spot is investing into the future. You're in the hub of convenience, accessibility, and bringing a lifestyle that's next to none. Now, you're almost in the highest floor. You're just a few floors below the penthouses, and that brings you views that are awe-inspiring, simply magnificent. As you can see, you have a very large, expansive entertainer's pad. You have your formal dining setting right here. You have your lounge, your TV area right on that side. So you have a full length, very expansive living space. And here we enter the kitchen space. As you can see, it's a fairly large space. I can simply just waltz in here, just do a dance, because you have all this space to play around with. You have this lovely countertop on here. You have a lot of space on this side as well. Fully equipped, a lot of storage on both sides, a lot of compartments. Your oven, cooker, microwave, fridge, everything's installed for you to just move in and start prepping up your favorite meal. And on there you have your domestic quarters, which comes with a room, a washroom, quite a fairly large area with a washing machine and a utility section, and most importantly, a separate entrance so that they can come in, do what necessary preparations, the cleaning, whatever they have to do, and then they can move out. So you saw the kitchen, you saw the living space. Now let's get to the private spaces, the bedrooms. Over this corner, you have a washroom, which is common to both these bedrooms. So this is the first room. In this apartment, you have your closet space. I love the oak finish of these closets. Always has a beautiful appeal when it comes to the aesthetic of the room itself. And then you have this view. Just outside, as you wake up, you have a view of the other tower. Right there, you can see the port. You can see a lot of the city as well. And it's a very inspiring view. And there is more views that's going to come from each of the bedrooms. Let me show you.
In love. In love.
And now we are at the master bedroom. This is the prize, obviously, because you have this very large space, very long, you can see an end-to-end closet space, floor to ceiling, beautiful oak finish, and you have this very large bedroom that gives you this amazing view. And this is a view that you cannot put a price on. Here you get a full 180-degree view of the city, the port city. You have the Indian Ocean just gazing at you, and I think it's an inspiring view just looking at it every day. So here you have it. Isn't this inspiring? Isn't this a reason that you should just come over here, invest, and start living? This is the port city right behind you. A full view of the entire port city, unhindered, unobstructed, just in a single view. You get all this inspiration right in front of you. Now, this is going to be the future of Sri Lanka, of Colombo, and investing in right now is going to be an opportunity of a lifetime. So living here gives you accessibility. Like I told you, you're at the heart of the city. This is number one, Colombo. And living here gives you convenience like never before. You're amongst a community of extremely affluent individuals, which gives you an advantage to connect and network with the creme de la creme of the community. And that is an immense opportunity. You also have everything you want housed under one roof. You have a mall, you have everything else nearby. Whatever convenience you deem is just around you. And that's what makes this address one of the most sought after addresses in Sri Lanka, in Colombo. Therefore, if you want to rent out this unit, get in touch with me. My contact number is down below. If you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel, now is the best time to do so, so you get our updates and you get the notifications so that you can stay ahead of the latest investments that we bring to you in the market. We are 73 Avenue Realtors, and thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you at our next tour.